Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 essential oils every traveler should pack. Let's dive in. First up, lavender essential oil. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, it's perfect for reducing anxiety and improving sleep. Next is peppermint essential oil. It helps improve focus, relieve headaches, and alleviate nausea. Eucalyptus essential oil is great for clearing the airways and boosting the immune system, ideal for respiratory support. Lemon essential oil is refreshing and uplifting. It boosts mood and energy while supporting the immune system. Finally, tea tree essential oil. Its antimicrobial properties help protect against germs and treat minor skin irritation. Remember to pack these essential oils on your next trip to enjoy a stress-free and healthy travel experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips.